Hello, my name is Lily Jacobi and I am a co-creator of the Sarah and David Hebrew Reading System. Today we are filming a video workshop series about our curriculum to give teachers, parents, and anybody who's interested in using our materials to learn Hebrew an inside look at all of the tools and techniques that are inside our books. I have created materials together with my mother Diana, who is a Jewish educator, has been at a number of schools in the last years, and I personally have done a lot of work with bar and bat mitzvah students, working with them privately and also some private tutoring for Hebrew reading. So our curriculum is one that evolves from within the field, and what we've done is we've developed a number of techniques that become tools for teachers when teaching children to learn the letters or learn to read or learn tefillah. And these same techniques for teaching become skills and drills that students learn and can then apply to any material that they're working on in Hebrew. The goal is to create confident readers and to create reading readiness for students so that they can move on and move up to any level of Hebrew reading text. There are 4 parts to our curriculum. First, we start with the Aleph Bet story for learning the letters. Then we move on to Sarah, David, and You Read Hebrew for learning to read and write. Then we have the Friday night book for teaching tefillah, which will soon be joined by the Shabbat morning book and a bar bat mitzvah book. And finally, we have a few materials for learning conversational Hebrew and for visiting Israel, so to speak. And those are the picture book, the Visit Israel book, and our Ma HaMatzav posters. We now will move on to the first segment, which is about learning the letters using the Aleph Bet story method.